We got a 2012 Chevy Camaro SS. It's got long tube headers right there and right there. He brought it in, all the clamps were leaking, so we welded them all up for him. And we're just gonna show you guys how the setup is. It's got a high flow cats right there and right there. Then it's got 3-inch all the way back into an X pipe that's 3-inch. Then 3-inch continues, true dualed all the way back, straight piped into 4-inch tips right there and right there. It's a stainless steel system. So we'll let you guys hear it, see how you guys like it. But yeah, we welded all the clamps. We hate clamps, they always leak. So we always take them off. All right guys, this is a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. What we did on it for the customer is it's got high flow BBK headers and high flow catalytic converters, and he just got these CORSA mufflers that were used that he had on it and cut them off, and he put them back on, and we just put some 4-inch black tips on it for him on this side and this side. There's the black tips right there. There's the CORSA mufflers. It's got a factory X pipe on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. You're gonna go beast mode, bro. When you leave, get on it, okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna get on it. I'm gonna get on it.
Two 2010 Chevy Camaro SS. Really good. Oh wow, that's the CORSA system. CORSA mufflers. Wow. I like it. Yeah, those tips would have looked a lot better on it. It's got BBK long tube headers and high flow cats. All 2.5-inch system all the way back.